Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Shopify app data using app backups, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Shopify app data, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Identify the app for which you want to create a backup. Click on the app to open its settings. Look for an option labeled Backup or Export. Some apps automatically create backups, while others may require manual export. If prompted, select the data you wish to backup. Common options include product data, customer information, and order history. Once you've made your selections, click the Export or Download button. The app may then generate a downloadable file. Save this file to a secure location on your device. If your app does not have a backup option, consider copying the data manually. Use CSV files to export products, customers, and orders where available. To export products, go to Products in your Shopify admin. Select Export and choose your preferred format. For customer data, navigate to the Customers section. Again, select Export to download the customer list. Repeat this process for orders by navigating to the Orders section. For full app redundancies, note any custom settings or configurations. Document these settings in a separate file for future reference. After completing these steps, ensure your backups are stored securely. Consider using cloud storage for added protection. Regularly check and update your backups to maintain data relevance. Remember to schedule consistent backups based on your app usage. This approach will ensure you have a reliable restoration point for your app data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.